But Salman, before I get into a lot of things, I really want to address this nature. Um, there's a comment, hey Bonile, and I think I'll just show you the pop up here. This is very disrespectful. I sizama ukukhuluma isilungu mhlambe ngizongizwa kahle. This is not a platform for people to come here and express their issues with a certain individual or a certain church. Okay? There's a reason why I always say I post non toxic Zion problem. If you have an issue with a certain individual, call them. If you don't have their numbers, it means you don't know them well enough for you to have an issue with. And you're not going to come on this platform and have such comments. I'll rather have you unfollow, or I'll rather have you unfollow me on TikTok if you do, and unsubscribe to this YouTube channel. You're not going to bring your negativity here. Okay? There's a lot of nonsense happening in Zion. But you don't see me using this platform for that. And there's also a lot of positive things as in Zagala in Zion. I am here to build a community. This these are type of things that I will definitely not tolerate here. Okay? I'd rather even not have I'd rather not even meet you as well. I don't care. I don't care. I don't want this on my platform. I don't want, and I definitely don't want to address this issue again. Umdala for lento yenzayo. You are old, bro. Uzopost ukuthi usibani maka singenaphi thina? Like singenaphi kuma politics wakhona? Asgenda. It's none of our business. If you have an issue, try Facebook or try TikTok. Go post this nonsense Lego TikTok, not on this platform, bro. Like you got me worked out because I am doing the best I can to make sure with the people feel safe and people actually enjoy what we do. Uyafika wena uzoposta into eyifana nalezi. Even if you can unsubscribe, my guy, I don't care. Angihlephuki indawo mfethu. I am trying to protect the generation of ingane zothatha lokhu, the generation is Zion, and also to preserve a culture Zion. Not ukuthi hey usibani, asingeni ndawo. Don't post such things. And please, guys, I will definitely not address such issues. I don't want into eyifana nalezi on this platform. Angizifuni. Okay? Let's make it a non-toxic Zion platform. Simple. And abantu abafana nalezi ama-comment aso, I will definitely block this guy from interacting with my page. And definitely. I'm not gonna play like that. Okay? So, asitume. Ngiyabonga bafethu. Danke.